This video is created exclusively for educational purposes. Watch the video and try to learn from the mistakes of others. Do not forget, someone dear is waiting for you at home. Drive safely. This man was driving on his way home, then something terrible has happened. A guy with no patience tried to pass over the traffic jam and hits him. Nobody was injured in this case. In this case, we can see what it means to be an idiot. He didn't stop at the red light. He was one step away from causing an accident and seriously injuring the pedestrian. Then drives on as if nothing had happened. Don't be like this guy. Excessive speed is one of the factors that cause most road accidents. Fortunately, there was only material damage and no one was injured in this case. Winter season is one of the most dangerous seasons to drive a car. Caution should be increased and speed should be reduced for your safety and those around you. High speed can lead to total loss of control, just like in these cases. You have to be very careful when you see and hear the sirens of emergency vehicles. Give priority to these vehicles all the time so that it doesn't happen like in this case. This driver was texting on his phone and didn't see what was on the road in front of him. Luckily, he wasn't hurt, but he was pretty scared. Oh, and his car was wrecked. Waiting for the traffic to clear can keep you away from such incidents. Patience can be like gold sometimes. Driving in very foggy weather can be very dangerous. Thanks to his skills, this driver passed the face of death. Don't forget to pull the handbrake when you park. Otherwise, you can end up like this guy. Fortunately, no one was hurt in this case. Large intersections can be very dangerous. Extra attention can keep you out of trouble. Trying to be cool without knowing what you're doing can cost you a lot of money. It is very dangerous to drive fast on a snowy road. You can lose control very quickly and you can't do anything. Fortunately, no one was hurt. This is another example of why you shouldn't change lanes at such a high speed in an intersection. If you want to get an adrenaline rush doing donuts with your supercar, do it in a place specially set up for it. Otherwise, it will cost you a lot of money, just like this guy. Puddles on the road can be very dangerous. You never know how deep the water is or what's under the water. Or you can try to become like this guy, shipwrecked. In this case, this driver pushes the traffic to speed up. Overtakes and accelerates too hard in the curve. Karma does its thing all the time. Luckily, no one was hurt. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much. I would be grateful if you subscribed to this channel. I hope you learned something from this video. Say your opinion in the comments. Drive carefully.